Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to be unboxing my PR box from CVS Beauty. So they've been sending me box for a couple of months now, and I wanted to share one of them that I just got today in the mail with you guys and talk to you guys a little bit about the EpicBeautyEvent that CVS have going on. So this is a huge box that they sent me, so let's see what's inside. It says right here CVS Beauty, so you guys can check them out at Instagram. And this box is due to the EpicBeautyEvent. What is that? Okay, so they did send me a card, so I'm going to read to you guys what it says. It says that EpicBeautyEvent, the best beauty event of the year, is back and bigger than ever. So you shop anytime from now to March 13 to get the best deals on skincare, wellness, and hair care products. If you shop in-store and online from Sunday to Tuesday, you'll get 50% off selected beauty and wellness products. And during the rest of the week, earn up to $100 back in extra bucks. So now, let's check out all the goodies they sent me. And then, oh my gosh, it's a lot of stuff, guys. So thank you very much, CVS, before unboxing this, for sending me this box and for keeping me in one of your influencers that you send these box to. Okay, now, first thing I have here, guys, it's a flat iron. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Infinite Pro by Garnier. This is the 2-in-1 hair styler. Is a straighten or wave. Okay, so I guess it's a wave because of the style of these flat iron. Okay, so let's open it to see it better. So you guys could get this at your local CVS. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, the flat iron. Okay, woo. So yeah, it's the best so that you could like curl your hair and do some waves. So let me know if you want to see a video on that and how I do my waves. So this is very cool. Oh my god, thank you so much. I can't wait to try this out, and hopefully probably in a video coming up showing you guys like how I like do my curly hair, wavy hair. Okay, so next product I have here is from the brand UrbanSkinrx Melanin Expert. Okay, so let's see what this is. This is the Even Tone Cleansing Bar 3-in-1 treatment. So it brightens and improves uneven skin tone. Ooh, okay. So let's see. It's a pretty packaging. It's very sleek design, and yeah, so it's really nice. Okay, so next product that I have here is from the brand Garnier. This is the Skinactive Moisturebomb Sheet Mask. The super hydrating mask, glow boosting, intensely hydrates, gives skin a luminous complexion and healthy looking radiance. So this is amazing. I can't wait to try this mask. Okay, next we have from flowerbeauty. This is the Seal the Deal Luminizing Setting Spray Radiant Finish. Ooh, okay, so that's amazing. So also, before I keep unboxing most of these products, I will be trying it in an upcoming video of me testing new drugstore products. So stay tuned for that as well. Next we have from flowerbeauty as well. This is the Gel Crush Lip and Cheek. Okay, so it's a pretty, the color is Raspberry Crush. So like I was saying, it's a pretty like rosy tone, as you can see it here. Ooh, oh my gosh, so this is lip and cheek. Okay. Next product we have from the brand Essence, and this is the Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. Ooh, a lip gloss. It's a clear lip gloss. Okay, so I'm not gonna open anything just in case I tried these products. I have a lot of products open already, but I will be trying most of these products in an upcoming video. And some of the things that I don't try at the moment, I do try it later on. or I keep it for my giveaways, okay? So next product we have here is from Garnier, and this is the Fructis style flat iron Perfecto straightening mist. So it says that it's meant to leave you a straight finish and is sleek. Ooh, okay, this is perfect for when I iron my hair. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. So this will probably go in my video for when I do my wavy hair or straight hair, something in the future, whatever look I decide to do, I would use this with it. Next we have, ooh, this is from the Wellness Department. This is the CVS Health Melatonin Sleep Aid. So it supports and sound sleep. So these are some pills, it's 90 fast dissolved tablets. Okay, so you have this. This is amazing because I have been having issues to fall asleep. I don't know, I guess I have like a lot of things going on and stress and everything. It's hard for me to fall asleep. So that's that. Next we have this Live Better Vitamin Oil per 60,000 IU per bottle skincare oil. Okay, so this is oil for the skin. Let me see the direction. It says pump a small amount into the palm of your hands and gently massage into skin, scalp, cuticles, or other problem areas to moisturize. Ooh, this is amazing. So this is basically, I guess, for like if you have dry skin, which I do, this will help me a lot. Okay, can't wait to try it. Next we have, ooh, this is from e.l.f. Cosmetic. I believe this is new from their collection. This is the Ride or Die Lip Balm Mighty Mint. So this is from their new mint collection. I hope you guys can see it there. Next we have this brush. I love these brushes. This is the Wet Brush Original Detangler, a revolutionary brush that glides through tangles without breakage or pain. So this will go in hand with the flat iron and the mist to protect your hair from heat damage. Okay, then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so this is a mascara. And this is very famous now in TikTok and it went viral. So I'm sure by now you guys are gonna know what I'm talking about. This is from the Maybelline New York Last Sensational Sky High Mascara. So actually I've been dying to find this mascara, but it's been like sold out in like a bunch of places. Like I've been going locally. So I'm so excited that CVS sent it to me. So now I could try it for you guys. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. So this, if you guys don't know, this mascara has gone like super viral on TikTok because it's supposed to give you this huge lengthening to your and volume to your lashes, your real lashes, and I just can't wait to try this. Okay, and last item we have an eyeshadow palette. So this is from the Makeup Revolution. I actually just did another video trying Makeup Revolution products and I tried one of their new eyeshadows. So yeah, I'm so excited to get this one. This is more on the neutral tones, neutral cool tones. So I'm super excited to try this, more for like an everyday look or like glam look, very soft and natural. I really love these colors. And this is the Reloaded Iconic 3.0. And it has a couple, like a bunch of mattes and like some shimmers. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this palette as well. Let me see if I can open it and show you guys better. So this is what it looks like. It is just stunning, the color. And yeah, that's it for all of the products CVS Beauty sent me. I'm so excited to try everything and let you guys know. So stay tuned for an upcoming video of me trying these products as well as a hair tutorial. And on my Instagram, I'll put as well the pictures of everything. And down below on my description, I will put the name of all of these products that you can find at your local CVS. And don't forget to shop. The last day of the Epic Beauty event is March 13, and you could get extra bucks so you guys can spend it on other things, and there are amazing deals. CVS is my go-to store, my go-to drugstore when I need anything for my wellness, my beauty, my hair care, nail care. I get there everything. I have one close to my home and I love going there, and I always get like rewards back and I could actually spend it, so I love that. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you like this unboxing. Thank you so much again, CVS, for sending me this amazing box of goodies so I could show you guys all the products that you could get at your local CVS. And make sure to shop. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you back on my next video. Bye, guys.